I'm here in El Salvador with my brother from Africa. We come here to donate our time to the less fortunate people, but decided to head over to such an underrated place, Boquerón National Park. And just wait until you see these views at the end because it does not disappoint. This park is just 30 minutes from the capital of San Salvador, but to get to the views, you have to hike up a steep hill for about 40 minutes and then another 40 minutes back down when you're done. To get to the best views, you have to walk even further. After about an hour of walking, we finally came upon an unforgettable view. This, my friends, at 6,200 feet high, is San Salvador Volcano.